Good morning, everyone. All right, so this is day 2 of your writing project, your research project. So I want you to pause this video and I want you to write topic, and I want you to write what you chose as a topic. Mine was roller skating. And then you're going to write 3 driving questions, okay? You have to come up with 3 questions that you are going to research and get your research about your topic from. So mine were, when were roller skates invented? Who invented roller skates? And when did the first roller skating rink open? Okay, so you're going to pause, you're going to write your topic, write your 3 driving questions, and then you're going to write research for number 1. Okay, and you're going to put a space for the website, and you're going to put space for the information. Remember, if you are using the authors or whoever wrote its exact words, you need to use quotations. Remember, they're the commas, the 2 commas that are up in the air. All right, so to research, you're going to go to KidRex. And you just write kidrex.com and you click on KidRex. And this is what you'll get. This is a safe engine site for kids. So what you're going to do is you're going to type in, so you don't want to type in the whole question or one of your questions. You just want to type in the most important words. So I'm going to say roller skates invented. Those are the most important words. Okay, notice how I didn't write the whole question in there. I just wrote my topic and then what am I kind of looking for to answer my first question. I'm going to hit search. Okay, now you're going to come down here and it says the wild history of roller skates. Treasures from our West, Winchester roller skates. 11 things you might not know about roller skates. The history of and development of inline skating. I think those are roller blades. History and evolution of roller skating. So you want to make sure that you go to a site that you trust that seems like it'd have some good information. So I kind of like the wild history of roller skates. So I'm going to click it. All right, now you're going to probably need some help from mom or dad or whoever, or an older sibling. You're probably going to need help reading some of this stuff. Some of this stuff isn't kid friendly. Or it's not kid friendly word wise, like there's a lot of words. So let's see, early 1700s, skiers in Holland, an unknown Dutchman decided to go ice skating in the summer. Ice skating was a widespread method used in the Netherlands to travel the numerous frozen canals in the winter. The unknown inventor accomplished dry land skating by nailing wooden spools to strips of wood and attaching them to his shoes. Skiers were the nickname given in the new dry land skates. All right. Okay, down here, 1760. A London instrument maker and inventor, Joseph Merlin, attended a masquerade party, that's where they wear masks, wearing one of his new inventions, metal-wheeled boots. Joseph, desiring to make a grand entrance, added the pizzazz of rolling in while playing the violin. So I think, again, you just have to use your best judgment. So I'm going to say, for my first question, it says, when were roller skates invented? I'm going to say the 1700s. So after I get that information, so I'm going to write down the website, and you look right at the search bar for your website. So I have to copy that whole thing down. So co.com/history of, and you're just going to keep writing that website. Okay, now the information, I'm going to use it word for word. I'm actually just going to say, I'm not going to use it word for word because it doesn't really say word for word. I'm going to say info. The first known pair of roller skates were invented in the 1700s. Period. Okay. So you want to make sure that you go to websites that you trust, that you think have best information. You're going to need help reading it. Some of it's really long words or words that are complicated. They're going to write down the information. Okay. Now you're going to do this for every question. All right. So I kind of found out number 2. So I'm going to say research for number 2. I'm going to say website. I found about this, I found the inventor on this website, so I'm just going to copy the website. And you just write the whole thing. I'm just going to pretend. And then I write info. An unknown Dutchman. Oops, Dutchman should be capitalized. Dutchman. And Joseph Merlin. Because they're the people who invented roller skates. Okay. All right. So I want you to go on to KidRex again. So here's how you get on to KidRex. I'll show you exactly how you do it. So go onto Google, type in the search engine KidRex, and you hit enter. It's right here, KidRex, Kid Safe Search Engine. Okay. Remember, don't enter in the entire question. Try to enter in just the most important words. So first roller skating rink. Notice I didn't type in my whole question. Ooh, right here. That'd be kind of cool. Today in Newport history. Let's see. So you just kind of look up the information. Today in Newport history, August 11th, 1866, first roller skating rink opens to the public in the U.S. So then what I would do, we're going to ignore the coronavirus updates because we are focusing on the good things right now. All right, and so then I would have help reading this, and I would copy the website down. Yes, you have to copy the whole thing down, and then you would write your information or what you got. So you're taking notes. This is taking organized notes. Okay, so get going. And this, by the way, this will be your this will be continued tomorrow as well. So you're going to do this part, the research part, and taking notes part tomorrow too. So you can use this video for tomorrow's writing lesson as well. All right, get to it.